going to get some Starbucks.
Yeah, Starbucks, pedicure. We got dinner tonight.
Dinner tonight. Where we going?
Don't worry about that.
Oh, okay. Babe, you can't. What am I getting, babe? But yeah, guys, so that's basically what we're doing today. So our first stop is going to be the nail salon.
It's probably too dark for you. You like it light.
So guys, I'm trying this drink with almond milk instead of actual milk.
What is that? Like, it's, you can't even tell.
I like it. I just need more ice.
You need more ice?
It's only ice. I like mine cold, like, but it's good. I'm trying new things today. It's healthier.
It's healthier.
Dinner. So today is Thursday. I believe last night was date night. It was Wednesday, so I had date night with Bae. He's so amazing. He cleaned out my car while I was at work, so I don't have to worry about driving around in a dirty car. Yesterday we had our pedicures done, and today I'm just going to continue some of my self-care. So I have a nail appointment at 10:30. It's 10:12 now. She stays close by, so appointment at 10:30, which I'm headed to now, and I have a wax appointment at 1, and then later on me and my boyfriend have a Bible study, and yeah, so I'm gonna go home and edit some videos when I'm done with my wax and clean up, do my laundry, so I won't have to worry about that. I wanted to cook today, I just don't know what to cook. But yeah, so everything's going so well. I'm headed to my nail appointment now, so let's go ahead and go. The before.
I'm human, but I'm comfortable with me. I'm capable, got everything I need. I'm focused and I'm living out my dreams. I feel my family, their love surrounding me. There's nothing in this world I'd rather be than me. I'm free.
Most beautiful, most beautiful. Most beautiful, most beautiful.
Everything changes. I'm captivated. I'll never be the same with just one look. Everything changes. I'm captivated. I'll never be the same. One thing I desire, only this I seek, is to dwell, dwell, dwell here forever.
One thing that stood out to me about him was just his obedience, his routine, in prayer with God. Yeah, I was like, Cornelius was known as a man who was God-fearing and prayed to God regularly. He prayed often, meaning he was able to hear and commune with God. He was in a relationship. As soon as he had the vision, he was obedient. God had sent men. God had, told him to send men to Joppa to speak to Peter. And his obedience led other believers to hear the good news and God's truth through Simon Peter.
So, basically covered everything.
Yeah, yeah. Like I feel like if it wasn't for Cornelius being obedient, they wouldn't even have.
If Peter had the same mindset, if these people are still on King,